My name's Luke Laffin, and I'm a preventive cardiologist here at the Cleveland Clinic. I wanted to talk a little bit today about some tips for heart health during the holidays, because as we know, people can indulge a little bit too much over this time period. So I really have 5 tips for you to try and help prevent any elevated blood pressures, elevated blood sugars, and then obviously more serious events around the holidays. First and foremost, really try and follow a diet of moderation. Now, of course, can you have your turkey at Thanksgiving? Yeah, definitely. But when it comes Friday, Saturday, Sunday after Thanksgiving, maybe best to skip the leftovers and go back to your regular nutritional plan. One other thing to keep in mind is point number 2, moderate your sodium. All right, a little bit of turkey, a little bit of stuffing, perfectly reasonable, some ham, it's fine. But if you're supposed to be on a low sodium diet, you really want to keep track of that and make sure that you're not going too much over that. It's important to do this because, remember, our medications are not as effective if we're taking medicines for blood pressure or for heart failure if we're on a diet that's moderate to high in sodium. Point number 3, of course, is moderate your alcohol. 1 drink, probably fine for the majority of people, okay? You can get away with it. But once we start pushing 3, 4, 5 alcoholic beverages, we put ourselves at higher cardiovascular risk. And that's not just for blood pressure and heart failure, we also increase our risk of abnormal heart rhythms, such as atrial fibrillation. Number 4, try and be active. Of course, sometimes it can be cold outside during this time, but we're around friends, we're around family. Always important to get out and exercise, get that walk in, even if it is chilly. If you can do it if you have to do it indoors, that's fine as well. Try and get on the treadmill or go to the mall and walk around on Black Friday. Always a good tip. And then finally, if you're traveling, make sure you bring your medications with you, okay? It's really important. We don't want to be missing medicines for more than, well, at all, hopefully, but we want to have them over the holiday season. So hopefully these tips are helpful for you and you have a great holiday season.